And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time is 6:44. When you step outside, you'll notice we're off to a pretty mild start with temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. The winds, they're not gusty yet, but by mid-morning, you'll see these values change. Right now, they're light between about 6 and 9 miles per hour out of the south-southeast all across the valley. This afternoon, we're talking 10 to 20 mile per hour wind speeds with gusts higher than that, near 25 and even 30 miles per hour. So your day planner forecast looks pretty good. We're starting the day with maybe a few clouds overhead, but that'll give way to plenty of sunshine as we roll into the afternoon. Temperature-wise, we'll warm up from the upper 60s to the lower 80s by noon, and you're going to feel the heat settle in. We'll have high temperatures in the upper 80s, and that mugginess will be a bit more noticeable this afternoon versus now. So I'm telling you, you need to dress light for this afternoon, and don't forget to pull your hair back. It will be a very breezy afternoon, especially if you have long hair. Just do yourself that favor, get it out of your face. Looking at the setup across Texas, this is a stationary boundary, which means it's not really moving, and it's not going to move into deep South Texas. We have high pressure at the surface over the Gulf, and that's going to continue to give us a lot of dry and stable air in the atmosphere. So without that instability, we're not going to see much rain in the forecast. What we will see are maybe a few clouds this morning and plenty of sunshine this afternoon. Again, the breeziness will return mid-morning and last all afternoon long. Later on this evening, it'll lighten up. It'll become less gusty, is how I like to put it. It'll still be on the breezy side until early tomorrow morning, kind of like what we've been seeing each afternoon and each evening. But looking at the sky cover, we will see maybe a few more clouds overhead tonight, and then they'll clear out again by tomorrow afternoon. So we're keeping the forecast dry today and tomorrow, but by Friday we have mainly dry there on the rain chance outlook. So whenever we put that mainly dry there, it means about a 10% chance or less. That's all courtesy of the next cold front that'll be moving into the state of Texas. Actually, let's go back a map. There we go. Future track does show that this particular front will stay well to our north, but we could get enough instability to maybe see a late day spotty shower. Maybe two if we're lucky. So that's why your rain chances are so low, with a lot of that activity staying well to the north. So if you are headed out to HubFest, here we go. That is this Saturday. Everything looks great for HubFest. Starts at 2 o'clock, and from 2 to 5, everyone is free, so you take advantage of that. It'll be right around 94 degrees, so dress very lightly, and remember to stay hydrated while you're out there. It's going to feel pretty humid this weekend. By 7 o'clock that night, it'll be right around 89. It ends at midnight, and temperatures are still pretty mild in the upper 70s, but again, very, very nice conditions this weekend, and it won't be as breezy on Saturday. This morning, before you head out the door, or as you're heading out the door, check out this. The ISS is going overhead from 7:06 to 7:10. It starts in the north-northwest sky, ends in the south-southeast. You're able to see it for about 4 minutes. So if you've never checked that out, please do that. It's really cool to see that flying overhead. It moves pretty quickly. So we'll be at 87 degrees today, followed by 68 tonight, 85 and 88 by Friday. There will be a few extra clouds in the sky, but that'll give way to some sunshine Friday afternoon. Saturday, mainly sunny, near 92 degrees to kick off the weekend. We'll be at 90 to finish it up, and the breeziness turns back on Sunday and Monday, and we're in the upper 80s to start next week. Partly sunny skies by Tuesday. Overnight lows stay mild in the upper 60s and low 70s. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.